good, guys? It's your girl Choreo here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a wide leg jiggle, okay? So do something for me. Do this 5 times. 1, bring it up. Knees pointing out, toes pointing out. Here we go again. 2, bring it up. Let's do 3 more just to make sure. 1, 2, 3. If you didn't feel any pain in the hip, in the knee, in the ankle while you're doing that, then you're good to go. If you felt pain in your back, in your shoulder, in your jaw, in your molars, in your heart, girl, sit your ass down. Sit it down. Sit it down. Click on this link. Megan Thee Stallion knees. Check out that workout. If it doesn't work for you, get a physiotherapist to look at you. Get a physiatrist to look at you. You may have some issues that you don't know about. Okay? Don't force through the pain. Pain is not welcomed on this place here. So here we go. 30 seconds of that jiggle, wide leg stance, and back sideways. It looks like this. I open my legs, turn my knees out, toes are pointed out, and we lift the bottom up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Hey. If I turn to the back, this is what it looks like. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Jiggle. Right? We're gonna do it. The first 2 sets, as we've done with the other drills, we're going to do them slow. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. The last 2 sets of 30 seconds, we're going to do it real time. And those are going to be killer, they're going to be killer. You ready? Here we go. Facing this way. In 3s, stance, cock the body out, bend the knees. 3, 2, and 1. 1. Just nice and dandy. Nice and easy. Get a feel of it, get the pelvis working, grease that waistline, grease those pelvic bones, grease the knees. If at any point in time it feels like it's way too much, back out of the movement. Sometimes we don't feel it until we reach like 10 seconds into it. Don't worry, back off of the movement, there's no shame. 2, 1. Alright, good work. So now I'm going to do the same thing facing backwards. Still slow motion. Here we go. And one of the things I'm going to do as well is play around with the position of the hands. The hands may start here, they may go here, they may go up here. Okay, so let's play around with that a little bit. So turning my back, wide leg stance, knees pointing out, toes are out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And 1. 7, 8, and 10. Put it out. And up. Put it down. And out. And up. Woo. Alright, and like, take a break after that, because that was really hard. What is Superman made of again? What is he made of again? I don't remember. My niece would know, but I told her to be quiet around there. So, is it titanium? I think it's titanium. Yeah, but we're gonna act like we have titanium knees, okay? So, we're gonna do that jiggle. Fast. 30 seconds, girl. Facing this way, we're not gonna do the hands. We're just gonna focus on the booty. Facing that way, we'll work with the hands transitioning from here, here, and here. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is real time, I'm telling you, this is hard. So here we go. You don't get drills like this at the gym, girl. In 3, 2, 1. And jiggle. Hey. And you're allowed to take like a minute break before we go into the next one. Okay? Calm down. Okay, my girls. minute to 2 minutes break. So if you're one of those persons who did not take a break, but you just kind of skipped into this section, kudos to you. Kudos to you. I'm not gonna pretend like I didn't. You see that nail? It's gone. It's been gone actually, but I was just pretending that it wasn't gone, hoping that you wouldn't see, but it's been gone. So we're gonna go from the tip top, facing this way, and remember, we're gonna include the hands here, hands out here, hands up here, okay? Are you ready? Because I'm not. I'm gonna do it anyway. Let's go. 30 seconds. Wide legs hands, turn nose in out, booty cocks back. In 3, 2, 1. And here. And switch it. 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 Keep it there. Oh, thank you so much for trusting the process. Right now I'm gonna take a break because I am tired AF. So big up yourselves. You take a press choreo, the hottest, sexiest bad girl dancer instructor in the whole Caribbean. We take it over, baby. Don't send them a warning, subscribe.